Here at Oxford Prestige, we're very proud to present the Škoda Kamiq. It's the 1.5 TSI ACT Monte Carlo model. This is a 2020 on a 20 registration, covering 85,300 miles petrol, 6-speed manual, finished in this stunning race blue, one former keeper from new, with a very good specification. It's got the contrasting black accents around the vehicle. As you can see, it's got the LED front headlights with the xenons. Bodywork is in lovely condition. Really nice colour on this vehicle. No pin dents or scratches down the body lines. Got the black roof rails, full glass panoramic roof, privacy glass on the body, diamond cut with the black inserts on the alloy wheels. Vehicle's been very well looked after. LED rear lights, LED rear number plate lights, black badging throughout. Really does give it that sporty aesthetic. It's got adaptive cruise control, rear parking sensors, Škoda sound system, Monte Carlo sport seats, black mirror caps, Monte Carlo badging. Very good size boot in these vehicles. Ample amount of room. Additional storage either side. Tyre repair kit and electric pump. Seats do fold down so you can get them fully flat. Either side you've got two buttons and you can push the seats completely flat. Interior is in really good condition. Door cards totally unmarked, electric windows. Black seats with the contrasting red trims. Sports bucket seats, all again in very good condition. Door cards all in lovely condition. Seats are unmarked. Very comfortable. Got the carbon on the interior trim. Manuals in there. Two Type-C USBs. Center armrest. You've got an 12-volt power point. Dual cup holder. Additional storage within the armrest. Climate AC working very well. Apple CarPlay. Sports multifunction leather steering wheel with the perforations and the red stitching. LED interior light package. You've also got the blind for the roof. Power folding mirrors, which are also heated. Auto lights. Various displays for the digital cockpit. Lots of factory options on this vehicle. Got the cruise control on here. We also have DAB digital radio. Built-in navigation on the vehicle as well. All the applications that you may have on your telephone can be accessed on here, so whether that be the maps, YouTube music, or any other application you may have on your telephone. It's got the speed limit aware, full details and specification of this vehicle can be found on the body of the text of the advert. If you do have a vehicle that you're looking to part exchange, please do let us know. Give us a call on 01865 95 669. That number is also available on WhatsApp. Please feel free to send us a message. Finance is also available. Kindly do get in contact with us to book an appointment to view and test drive this stunning vehicle. We look forward to taking your queries, and thank you very much for watching this video. Please give us a follow on social media, search Oxford Prestige.